Spring means a couple things, but my favorite is asparagus, or asparagus as some people want to say it, because it is actually part of the grass family. Now, when you buy asparagus at the store, you want to look at the tops. You want to look for nice tight tops, and then you want to smell it. You want to make sure that they smell fresh and kind of like outside, smell pretty good. And then rinse them well, because sometimes they're a little sandy, so rinse the whole thing. Now here's the quick question. Are you a snapper or a cutter? And here's what I mean. I came from a long line of snappers. So what you do is you want to grab the end, because the ends are kind of tough and chewy, and you don't want to have those in your whatever you're cooking it with. And so then you kind of grab it and you go, and then it snaps wherever the hard fibrous part is at the bottom, and that's the part of the asparagus that's going to go, and we're going to cook it. Some people, if you have your really sharp knife again, remember, knife skills. Sometimes people take, and they say, oh, that takes too long, and they just take the knife and they cut it off. But what you want to do is you want to make sure you're cut. I know this seems like you're wasting it, and maybe you can put this in and put it into soup or something, but it's really fibrous and nobody's going to enjoy chewing on this. So some people will take them and cut through, and that's fine also. So either you're a snapper or you're a cutter. What are you going to do with this? Here is my famous steamer. I'm going to take this off again so you can see. A steamer is one of those essential things for a kitchen. And it looks like this. Again, I talk like this is my little, your kids can have fun with this, or you can. This looks like a little UFO coming in. It opens up. You put it into your large pan like this. Take your asparagus. Now, asparagus cooks really quickly, so you want to just break it all up like that. It kind of looks like pick 'em up sticks when you put it in there. And somebody said, well, how much water do you put in? About 2 cups is good, like that. Perfect. And you put this on, turn it on, put the lid on it, and you have to watch it, because asparagus, you want it crisp and you want it tasty, and it doesn't take too long. So how do you tell? You stick your knife, or your fork in it again. Stick your fork in it, and then you'll know. So it comes out, you put it into your colander, and you steam it, and what do you put on it? Butter, salt, and for asparagus, this is a zester, and you want to zest a little lemon on top of it. Now watch how cool this is. You think this is just your rind of your lemon? Not so fast. When we do this nice, gentle, these beautiful, I think you can see some of it, this beautiful little lemon rind is going to be on there, and you just sprinkle that right on top of your asparagus with maybe a little parmesan. You won't believe how good this tastes. So again, when you're running by and you see that asparagus, this is good for you too. It's a prebiotic. It feeds the probiotics. What? So anyway, Candace Lawrence, Quarantine Cooking. Go get that asparagus.